Okay, so the first thing we need here is a 4mm Allen key. We're going to take this Allen key and we're going to tilt the scale up after removing the platter. And there are some connections on here that are going to need to be removed. 1 and 2. You can use the Allen key if your fingers are too big to get into this smaller area. It happens. Okay, now we're going to take the Allen key and we're going to remove that bolt. And then we're going to remove these ones as well. Okay, you're going to slide that up, and there's the scale.
And then hold on. And then when you put it back in, is just put there. Okay.
So to put it back into place, you just slide it back into place, lining up these holes on both sides. See, we get it lined up here with one bolt, then we'll get it lined up on the other side just to make sure that it's even. So we're going to put one on that side just so you guys can see. Go ahead.
And then put the cable backs.
Now it's time to put the cables back where they're supposed to be.
That's it.